right, well, what?
I sell faxes and copies. He sells food.
Okay,
It's
no,
in
but
the
he's a
name.
no. He's a smart fridge. He doesn't sell food. He sells fridges.
I sell food.
Yeah, but you're a.
Chocolate bar.
Wow. Is this a taste test, or am I supposed to buy it?
Taste test.
Okay, what
Here's a fax.
Oh, okay, gotcha. That's a fact. Oh, and an egg. Okay. All right, give me your guys' pitches. I need to hear the pitches. Give me the elevator speech,
I have a
man.
big juicy orange thing, and I have small skinny yellow thing.
Okay.
Oh, and shrooms.
And shrooms. Okay.
I love your shrooms.
Oh, absolutely. What about you, buddy?
Oh, and water.
Oh, and water. Oh, and a shit bottle too. Nice. Water and a shit.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your elevator speech? What's your pitch, man? Let's hear it.
Pitch with the bird.
Uh-huh. I kind of like fridge more than you. I'll be honest here.
Understandable.
All right, so fridge, what do you? I mean, I know what you sell, but what do you use?
Yo,
What's your currency?
Laser Jet, where'd you get a knife?
I'm not sure.
Should I be worried?
No, put the knife away. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Not a good sales pitch.
Okay, so what's your currency, man? Oh,
Shit! I dumped my ink.
did your water? Oh, his water just broke. We have to take him to the hospital. The baby's coming. Let's go! The baby's coming.
He's coming.
Eddie, what the fuck are you doing right now?
I'm recording right now. I'll send it to you later, Gabe.
What the fuck?
We're about to have
At least put it on like fucking stream or something. So I can watch it live.
Fridge, are you the mother or the? No, I guess you must be the father. I should have thought about that. Okay. Where's the nearest hospital?
Right here, I guess.
Oh, okay.
boxes, it looks like a bed.
I
All right.
put my baby in the box.
It's just a pile of wood. I think it's a false alarm. I think you just had a big shit. I think the water was just piss.
That burrito. I knew that burrito was fucking fishy.
Something. Oh!
The fuck?
Dude, that's my bad.
man.
Your sand was looking a little dry right here.
Please treasure that fax with all of your heart. I hope you have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you for putting up with our cancerous shit.
Take some.
Oh, okay. Okay.
There you go.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day. Wait,
You as well.
do you live at that big base right there?
No.
Hey Eddie, what the
Alright, well,
fuck?
I was gonna wonder, because I live right up the hill.
Okay. Yeah. No. I live.
Around the whole map and didn't die.
Nice. Good job. You did it.
Yeah. Didn't even see anybody, though. That's the problem. That's why when we saw you, we were like, hey, let's go get him.
Oh shit. Have a good day.